Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and install app called City Market Food and Pharmacy. So first thing first, open App Store, just click on that blue icon right here on your home screen, then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account, then click on a search button right here, and in the search bar typing City Market Food and Pharmacy and go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the app, so click on that, then click get, then install, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID or using password from your Apple ID account. So now it's all done. The app is 283.4 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.